if you go to mechanical engineering, like, I don't know, 50 years ago, you don't have SolidWorks, like you don't have CAD software. And everyone was afraid that it's gonna take me a while to learn how to do CAD. But now everyone, okay, I took like several courses in my degree, but I cannot see engineering without computers, without CAD. So I guess Leo will take, I don't know, several courses, AI from any kind. You will learn it. It's worth it, okay? It will take you time to learn it, but the time you will save on working with it, you can't compare. Like, imagine working without computers because it took you some time to learn Office product and CAD softwares. You can't work without it now. It will take you years to sketch stuff, and will help you. It will help you way more time, way more than you invested in learning.